So today we're gonna be doing something that has been long overdue. It's another set of spacesuits. So these guys are 15 millimeters. Now, as you know from the previous video, I had to put 15 in the front to make them fit because they were hitting the Brembo. We're gonna bring these guys out a little bit and I might have to roll. I might. I left my drill in the rain and it broke. Sweet, we will put it over here. So I know once I pull the e-brake, it's gonna get lower, but that looks, I don't know. Hold on. Oh, this car stuff is always so much fun. It definitely will make contact. It does look 10 times better. Yes, sir. Woo. All right, and we are finally finished, and this is how she's sitting now. Probably could have went with 20 millimeters, would have been a little bit better, but hey man, it's not as bad as before. I'll show you the before and after right now, but look at that. That is way better. The fitment looks good. We are gonna have to roll for sure. Which I didn't want to, but we're gonna have to. Once I roll, I think I'm gonna get 20 millimeters, unless I change the wheels. But if I don't change the wheels, I'm gonna definitely do 20 for the back. It's gonna be a lot better look. Yeah, it just looks nice and flush now. Before it was way too in. Perfecto. That looks good. All right, so yeah, quick video. Car's looking pretty good now. Really liking how it's coming together. Still a lot to do to get this car where I want it, but in the past, what, 3 months, it's honestly not looking bad. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Really appreciate the support from everybody on this channel. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.